Mustang gutters are made from 0.9mm pre-coated dual-coloured aluminium coil with a life expectancy in excess of 30 years and is the only seamless gutter system in the UK that has BBA accreditation. The aluminium coil is formed into gutters on site to the exact dimensions of the building in continuous lengths of up to 30 metres. Over this long length, UPVC gutter and other component systems would typically have a minimum of 7 joints, which over time can leak. The integral hidden brackets and other Mustang components ensure the system is rigid and aesthetically pleasing, and because there are no joints in a straight length, it simply doesn't leak. Environmentally friendly aluminium is one of the most recyclable and reused materials available for use in construction products, and combined with the fact there is no on-site wastage, Mustang Gutters ticks all the boxes.